I'm about to build an entire customer service department for a brand in one prompt. Here's how it works. The boss AI is setting up the context for all the frontline AI to manage your customer service department. It started scraping the website, every product, every policy page, every customer support page. It then went through Trustpilot reviews, Reddit threads relevant to the brand, and founder interviews, and this is what it came back with. It found out that Bridge isn't a wallet brand anymore. It's a $100 million D2C empire. And these are things that it picked up verbatim from the site. Built for guys who want to look good without thinking about it. Build rugged, worn daily. Carry less, live more. So it was able to accurately pick the brand voice and the DNA, which is then being used for the AI customer service team while talking to customers. It found out that warranty, forever fit, resolution speed should be the top KPI based on Trustpilot and Reddit. Based on this, it created the business context and the instructions for the frontline AIs to follow. And that's it. It's ready to be tested. Now I can test this as a customer of Bridge Wallet. There's my order. It's looking up the orders on Shopify, and this is what it came back with. It said that I see your most recent order was placed earlier today. It's currently being prepared. At our warehouse, we typically process orders within 1 to 2 business days, which means it's still not shipped. So let's see if I'm able to change my shipping address for that. I'm going to ask the AI to update this to 5,000 Cabana Drive. It made the order and it will close this ticket without any human involvement whatsoever. Behind the scenes, we have created what we would call the Claude Code for customer service. Agents do not need to type or write anything anymore. They don't need to do any tool lookups. We've embedded like a Claude Cowork or a Claude Code for every one of your support agent. The AI's trail is completely auditable. You can see the AI loaded these orders, drafted this reply, made this update shipping address call, and then send the update to the customer. And now as a agent, I can go inside and I can talk to the AI. Let's assume that I spoke with this customer on the phone and I have instructions for the AI to act on. So I can say, I spoke with this customer on the phone. He's interested to purchase the Black Wallet. Let's add a 10% discount and send him the link to checkout. It's asking my permission to create the discount code. I'm going to say yes. And now it should create the checkout link and send the message to the customer. This is the message it came back with. Great speaking with you on the phone. As discussed, I've set up a 10% discount for you. You can grab the Black Wallet using the link below. And this is the message that ended up going to the customer. Exact message with the discount code and the link to purchase. So there was a time where you had to manually respond to customer support tickets. Now the AI will take care of 70 to 80% of the resolutions autonomously, and your humans will be only responsible for the exceptions. They will be responsible for judgment and decision making. They'll be talking at the AI and making the AI do all the grunt work and just presenting decisions in front of the support team to act on.